like I said, once I show you our campsite, you're probably gonna say, "Wow, you did get pretty lucky." You know, there's not a lot of camping here. At least, I should say if you're pulling a trailer, it's a little trickier. But we have a small trailer, so we didn't really have a problem here. Check this out. Like, are you kidding me? How does this even happen? No, really, how does that even happen? If you have any freaking clue, let me know in the comments. I'm willing to discuss all the types of things with you. So let me know what you think. Colby and I were kind of talking about it. We're like, this looks like it would have been underwater, and I'm sure it was, but we need the details. We want specifics here. Like this here. How does this even happen? How? What's that? So we had wanted this camp, but it's not level in the slightest. But the site we did choose was perfectly level, and we snuck our little trailer right in. Yeah, you see those two formations right there? Yeah, our trailer squeezed perfectly in between there. Just wanted to apologize in advance. Sorry about the wind noise. Hadn't checked any of the film when I was filming, so.